It's actually a lot easier than you think to change. I remember years ago when I wanted to change so badly. I was playing video games all the time. I wasn't doing that much stuff, staying inside all the time. The moments of change really happened in very short amounts of time, and it happened really quickly. Like, I just instantly changed and instantly got better. So I hope this short, quick little video can be that thing which I wish I could have heard, which could have made me change a lot faster. So I don't want you to miss out on this, because this really could have helped me. Whenever I had a lot of change, I just went through this quick little process, which I hope you can follow along too. So the first thing I did was have a clear goal or challenge that I want to set for myself. And 1 or 2 years ago was creating a YouTube channel. It doesn't have to be something that is the right answer or what you actually want to do. Just, it has to be something so you have something to aim for. So I just thought about doing this YouTube thing. If I didn't like it, I just would stop doing it, but it was better than not trying at all and doing nothing. So my goal or challenge was to start a YouTube channel, and I made it really easy to start. I tried to get quick, fast wins, which was creating the channel, thinking of a name, which was just my own name, and then making a little profile picture or making my first video, which was 30 seconds long. I just filmed it in one take. I didn't overthink about it. I mean, honestly, I did, but I really wish I just didn't overthink about it, because I could have had my own channel months and maybe even years ago, and I could be at a completely different point. And now that I had this new thing, which was actually kind of interesting, I just got into it. It was on my mind a lot. So because I kept thinking about it, it inclined me more to make more videos, learn more about it, try more things. I remember when I filmed the video, I uploaded it, and I just went on my day. I just thought, if I do this, if I just post one video a week, which I want to do more because it's fun, and I just stick to this for a year or 2 years, this YouTube thing can actually change me. And that's exactly what happened. And it's not just YouTube, it's anything, any little idea or goal, like going to the gym, working out more, going on runs, talking with more people, practicing a sport, literally anything. If you just like it, think it's interesting, you keep thinking about it, you keep doing it, trying to learn, get better, be consistent at it, learn how to love that thing, then you're going to change and you're going to get better. It's really that simple, and it's all I needed to hear. If you just slowly build it up, you keep going, you don't quit, you'll win. You will win. So just from that one moment of uploading that first video gave me a huge burst in change really quickly, and it wasn't that hard. A lot of it was just my mindset and what I thought about it. So I really hope you can apply this right away. Think about this, do it. Don't just act like, oh, great video, I'm not going to do anything about it. Do something about this. Take advantage of this video, that this exists, that I sat here to talk to you. Because I didn't just talk to you to, I don't know, just act like I'm doing something. I actually hope this can help you, and you can actually take something from this. All right? If you like this video, watch this video here. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want. Yeah, see you later. Peace.